In the vast expanse of our solar system, there exists a celestial wonder that has captivated humanity for centuries: Saturn. This magnificent planet, with its stunning rings and immense size, has always been a source of fascination and mystery. This gas giant, adorned with its iconic rings, stands as a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for beauty and intrigue. The rings, composed of ice and rock, create a mesmerizing spectacle that has been observed and studied by astronomers for generations. Saturn's splendor has earned it a special place in our collective imagination, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and scientific inquiry. From ancient civilizations to modern-day scientists, Saturn has been a symbol of wonder and curiosity. Saturn's story is not merely one of aesthetics. It is a tale woven into the very fabric of our solar system's history. Its formation and evolution provide crucial insights into the processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. As one of the largest and most massive planets, Saturn's gravitational influence has shaped the orbits of its celestial neighbors, including our own planet Earth. Its presence has played a pivotal role in the stability and dynamics of the solar system. Understanding Saturn, therefore, is not just about unraveling the mysteries of a distant world, but about gaining deeper insights into the forces that have governed the evolution of our cosmic neighborhood. By studying Saturn, we learn more about the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the forces that bind them together. From its swirling storms to its enigmatic moons, Saturn presents us with a myriad of questions that continue to challenge our understanding of planetary science. Each storm, each moon, holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. It is a world of extremes, where temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing and winds rage at supersonic speeds. These harsh conditions create a dynamic and ever-changing environment that is both hostile and fascinating. And yet, amidst this alien landscape, there are hints of familiarity, of processes that mirror those found on our own planet. The study of Saturn's weather patterns, geological features, and atmospheric composition can provide valuable insights into similar processes on Earth. Join us now as we embark on a journey to unravel the enigmas of Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Through the eyes of spacecraft and the minds of scientists, we will explore this majestic planet in unprecedented detail. Through the lens of scientific exploration, we will delve into its turbulent atmosphere, marvel at its intricate ring system, and explore the hidden wonders of its many moons. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the complexities of this giant world. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and grandeur of this celestial giant, a world that continues to ignite our curiosity and inspire us to reach for the stars. Saturn, with its timeless beauty and endless mysteries, remains a beacon of exploration and wonder in our quest to understand the universe. To truly appreciate the grandeur of Saturn, we must first grasp its immense scale. It is the second largest planet in our solar system, dwarfed only by the mighty Jupiter. If Earth were the size of a nickel, Saturn would be about as big as a volleyball. Its diameter is roughly 9 times that of our planet, and it could comfortably accommodate over 700 Earths within its volume. Despite its colossal size, Saturn is surprisingly lightweight. It is the least dense of all the planets in our solar system, even less dense than water. If we could find a bathtub large enough, Saturn would actually float. This low density is a result of its composition, which is primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. Saturn resides in the outer region of our solar system, far beyond the asteroid belt that separates the inner rocky planets from the outer gas giants. It is the 6th planet from the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of 886 million miles. This vast distance means that Saturn takes a leisurely 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. As we delve deeper into our exploration of Saturn, we will discover that its size and position in space have profound implications for its atmospheric dynamics, ring system, and the evolution of its many moons. These factors, intertwined through the intricate laws of physics, have sculpted Saturn into the majestic world we observe today.